Hello, me again. We're with another journal share. Trying to get all my videos done in one day, but it's kind of hard for me to do with my hands are swelling up. So if I don't do a very good job, I'm going to apologize ahead of time because, yeah, my hands are getting a little tired. This I used Artie Mays. It's a 9x6. I used upholstery fabric again. I love this one. It's got some really pretty colors. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but I super love it. Oh, I just love this. I used Artie Mays' little bee ephemera. Some Tim Holtz, did some layering right there. Sewed around it, added some buttons and some cheesecloth. And love this. I put this little pin right here with this beautiful bead that Vonnie sent me on it. Love that. And I just got some seam binding here, closure. I'm going to try to do this fast. I'm sorry if I don't do very good videos lately, but I'm trying my best. And I will just go through it really quick. There's some Dreams, etc., Artie Mays, Tsunami Rose, Tim Holtz, and bunch of little miscellaneous in here, and I will try to link everybody below like I always do. And here is a Dreams, etc., beautiful, beautiful tag. This is a altered paper clip that Paula, the other Paula. Hi Paula, thank you so much for showing us this. I love to be able to use the tickets, which this one I backed with my own little paper, but she showed us how to use the tickets, and I just love it. Love making them. Anyway, this holds down this little front page here. It just slides on there like that. And Crafty Irina shows us how to alter paper clips as well. Love them too. I just love you ladies come up with such great ideas. Over here, I just made a little pocket with some Tsunami Rose flowers, some layering, and a little, my own little tags in there. Some map, coffee dyeing. This is Artie Mays. These are some bags that Vonnie sent me. And this is out of one of Artie Mays' kits as well. You have to go visit her shop if you haven't already, because she's got some amazing kits over there. There's some that I don't have yet, but I'm going to have to catch up on everybody, because I have a couple more. This is Artie Mays as well. I have some DT projects I need to catch up on, and this kit is one of them, which is in my kitchen, is ready to be coffee dyed as I speak. And here is an altered guest check, and I will link the video I watched on this below as well. Super love those. They're so cute and so fun. Use up all your little snippets and stuff. Super, super fun. And this is just a little flip, a little layering. Artie Mays, one of my envelopes that I was making and still making. If anybody is interested, just let me know and I will make you up some. They're super fun. Some book out of my nature book, or page out of my nature book, and this is just a little fabric layered flip. Super love that. And here is a Patricia pocket with some layering on it. A bunch of little ephemera pieces. And in the back. And it's open so you can put some bigger pieces of ephemera in there as well. And over here is Tim Holtz flower. This is Artie Mays, or Dreams, etc. And this is I just have a little tag in there, this little fabric that I actually Trina stamped this one out with my little stamp set. And it is just a little fabric flip. And this is Artie Mays. And this is just another paper clip that I made to hold all these goodies in here. Another envelope I made out of some of the nature book pages. Sorry about that. Here is just a little tag thing I made out of some extra coffee dyed paper, and this is Artie Mays and some Tim Holtz. I just did some little layering. And here is a Sue Olson dress form and Artie Mays ephemera. It's just like a little belly band in there. I do not know why my phone always rings every time I do a video. This is another one of those paper clips, only I did a big one, and I just, so that way it can be moved around the book, it's just a little big old paper clip, and I just clipped it on there like this and stuck this there. And hold on one, sorry about that. This is Dreams Etc. This is a page out of my nature book, and I just have some extra coffee dyed paper in there. It says, "Prepare to be amazed." I love making my own envelopes for the middle now. That's so fun. And this is just a little paper clip holding these. And again, I put some little tickets on there because this can be taken off, flipped down, and it's holding all of these little cute little ephemera pieces. And then I just put it back in there like that and put the paper clip back on, and then behind it is this tag that I made. And tracing paper, another little paper clip. Making a lot of those. I love doing those. They're so fun. This is Artie Mays and a coffee dyed repair tag. Love these pages. And a little tuck. And that's Artie Mays. And this is a vintage letter from a granddaughter to her grandma and grandpa. And it's from the 50s. She's off to college, and she writes her grandparents. I got a bunch of these off of Etsy, and I super love them. I love reading them. They're so cute and fun. So I thought I'd stick one in each, and everybody else can enjoy reading them. This is, I made a paper clip again, and that is Tsunami Rose. And this is Artie Mays. On this side, I have this one from Artie Mays. And in the bag, I have nothing in the bag, but over here I put some Tsunami Rose ephemera and this little tag that I made. Oops, get up here, Paula. Made a little tuck spot right here and just put some trim. I mix Artie Mays' ephemera up in all my stuff all the time because I have so much of it and I print so much that I love it. And this one is Dreams Etc. Again, another paper clip. And on this side is Artie Mays. And here I just made a little flip. And it's got some extra journaling pages under there. And this is Artie Mays. Over here, I just did a little flip down, and this, I sewed around it, and this is Dreams Etc., and I glued it to here and made a little tuck spot, and it opens up for extra journaling. And over here, I just did this gorgeous cotton trim, did a little layering, and put this Dreams Etc. tag in there. And that is my latest journal, and she's going to be going out in the mail, so I had to get this done even though I'm pooped. But I hope you enjoyed watching it, and thank you so much for sticking with me and watching my videos. I appreciate it so much. I know I'm kind of a blah right now, but yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.